Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, checking out another his and hers pair of watches that would work great for a couple that really likes the classic sporty look, especially the look of classic sports cars. These are two Cartier Roadsters, and they were kind of loosely designed after the classic sports model cars, and you can really see that kind of the tonneau shaped case that looks really streamlined and the sinuous different levels of the case, as well as the hubcap shaped crowns, which are just really cool design feature of this watch. And I chose two that are entirely stainless steel with a silver dial to add to that classic look and feel of the watch, but they do have lots of other dial options like black, salmon, and mother of pearl, and all other different kinds. So these watches are also great for a couple that want different levels of functionality out of their watches. The men's size one has a chronograph feature as well as the date and the time, and it's an automatic winding watch, but the lady size is a quartz watch and it has just the date and the time, which works great for someone who just wants to kind of set it and forget it and doesn't need all that extra functionality. So these are great for a couple that really would like different types of functionality, but the watches still look really great together. So if you already have a Cartier Roadster and are looking to pick one up for a loved one, or if you want to pick up this pair, all of our Cartier Roadsters are available on SwissWatchExpo.com.